If your 6.4 Powerstroke engine is overheating or your old radiator just isn't cutting it, it's time for an upgrade. In this video, I'll show you 3 of the best radiator options for your Powerstroke engine. Let's get started. Here's a quick look at the contenders. PBI Radiator, best overall choice. DNA Motoring Radiator, best budget option. Mishimoto Radiator, best performance option. At number 3, we have the PBI Radiator, a well-rounded option for those seeking durability and ease of installation. This radiator is built with high-quality materials to ensure consistent cooling, whether you're using your truck for daily driving or light towing. It's a dependable replacement that fits perfectly into the factory setup. Next up, the DNA Motoring Radiator takes the second spot as the best budget option. This radiator offers excellent value for its price, combining lightweight aluminum construction with efficient cooling performance. It's ideal for those who want a solid replacement without breaking the bank. Perfect for standard duty applications, it's a great option for everyday drivers. Finally, at number 1, the Mishimoto Radiator is the ultimate choice for performance enthusiasts. It's engineered with a robust aluminum core and advanced cooling capabilities to handle the most demanding conditions. Whether you're towing heavy loads or pushing your truck off-road, this radiator ensures your Powerstroke stays cool under pressure. Plus, the lifetime warranty makes it a long-term investment you can trust. Whether you choose the reliable PBI Radiator, the affordable DNA Motoring Radiator, or the high-performance Mishimoto Radiator, upgrading your radiator is a smart way to protect your Powerstroke engine. Check out the product links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.